in this example, we want to integrate x squared ex dx. Previously, we already know that if you choose u as ex for the example to integrate x ex and dv as x dx, you'll find that it's no good because if you integrate x, it becomes x squared over 2. Then the right hand side, after you apply integration by parts, the integral will be x squared over 2 ex, which is an integral difficult to integrate. So with this experience, you'll know that you should choose u to be the x term. If you want to integrate x squared ex dx, so you choose u to be the x squared term, then dv to be the ex term, and what you did for x ex, you choose u as the x term, then dv as x ex dx, and then you'll find that v is just ex, and du become dx. So after you do integration by parts, the x term disappear, and it just gives you integrate ex, which is something easy to find. So that's why you should consider to choose u as x squared, dv as ex dx. So if you choose u as x squared, differentiate x squared is 2x dx. Integrate ex will give you ex, so v is just ex. So you sub in your u, v minus integrate v du, right? So u is x squared, v is ex, v is ex, du is 2x dx. So with that, you will find that after you apply integration by parts, you have to solve this integral. Integrate x ex dx. The 2 you can write outside. So it's supposed to integrate x ex dx. So after you apply integration by parts once, by choosing u as x squared, you know that if you differentiate, the power goes down by 1. From x squared becomes 2x. That's why from integrating x squared ex, become integrate x ex. And integrate x ex is something we just found, right? Integrate x ex, you just apply integration by parts once and one more time. Then you get the answer. So you just sub this answer inside here, right? You sub it inside here. So that means if you have to integrate x squared ex dx, you use integration by parts once, you have to solve integrate x ex dx. Then you just do integration by parts one more time to get x ex minus ex. And then you just give you this part. You just do integration by parts one more time. So the final answer will be just x squared ex minus 2x ex plus 2ex plus c. So sometimes a question, you have to use integration by parts a few times. So if I ask you to integrate x cubed ex dx, you expect you have to do integration by parts 3 times.